What if I told you that you can generate thousands of dollars every month by creating low-effort YouTube Shorts podcasts? In this video, I will in detail explain to you how to build a passive income stream through YouTube without even showing your face to the audience. Make sure to subscribe to our channel because it will make it easier for you to visit our channel as we keep posting similar helpful content. Like this video, it helps us to reach a broader audience. Thank you, and here we begin. What softwares do such YouTubers use? How much do they earn monthly? Plus, how much time and effort does this require? Stay till the end and all these questions will soon be answered. Let me be straightforward. All you have to do is create a YouTube channel and consistently upload trend-worthy clippings from the podcasts of other famous YouTubers. I know. Many of you would be worried about getting a copyright strike for using someone else's content. Some of you might even counter-argue that such channels are even eligible to be monetized by YouTube. Well, I can give you several examples in order to prove that owning such channels is completely legit. If you use YouTube frequently, then you might have already seen many short podcasts in the YouTube Shorts section. Chances are, most of the time, it is copied and republished by another creator. Why podcasters don't copyright such content, you may ask? There are two reasons. For the creators, getting their content republished is a way for them to do free publicity of their podcast, as those who might find the podcast clip interesting might also visit the original creator's channel for watching full-length video. So the relationship between you and the original creator can be best described as symbiotic. They get free marketing and you earn passive income. Second reason is that unlike long-length videos, YouTube has a lot of relaxation in terms of copyright when it comes to short-length content. There are already many YouTube channels, with some even having more than 100K subscribers, which are exploring this method, and many of them earning more than $10,000 per month with the help of YouTube ads monetization. These channels receive up to millions of views on every post they upload. So now let's understand how you can also benefit from this earning method. But before I continue, let me tell you that not all these channels are monetized. Hence, not all the channels earn from AdSense. But then why are these people still uploading such content if it isn't making them any money? Simple answer. It is indeed making them money, however, their source isn't direct. Those channels, which are not monetized in this category of videos, often make money by brand sponsorship, which is very popular, and you won't face any problem in getting a sponsorship if your channel has at least thousands of subscribers and views per video. Brands give you a good amount of money in exchange for placing their logo on your YouTube Shorts. If you're unsuccessful in getting sponsorship, then you can rely on affiliate marketing, where you can market certain products by putting their links in video description, and you earn a commission every time someone purchases a product using your link. Now let's see how to create an ideal channel in this category. First of all, decide on all the good podcasts you will regularly take clips from. These might be clips of politicians, professionals, or celebrities with huge fan following. I would suggest you select those channels which you yourself visit often, as it will be easier for you to find main highlights from the clip. Next, download the latest videos from these YouTube channels using YouTube video downloader websites. There are tons of them available online for free. Once downloaded, use softwares like CapCut or Filmora for light editing, while Premiere Pro for heavy editing, to divide those downloaded videos into several short parts, such that each part focuses on a certain subtopic of the podcast. You can remove unnecessary or boring parts from the clips, then convert the video size to Shorts and Reels format, that is 19.6. Now, maybe make adjustments to your clips before finally exporting them. Try to fit all the characters within the video frame. A helpful tip from my side would be to increase the overall video speed to 1.2 to 1.5. As the one watching those videos have low attention span, don't increase any more than that, else it will sound robotic. The overall length of each video should be less than 60 seconds. Also, to protect yourself from copyright, if any, you may add your voiceover in the first 5 seconds of the video, basically summarizing the entire clip, and also use background music from YouTube Audio Library to mix original audio, making it harder for YouTube to detect presence of copied video. This will provide additional protection to your content from any sort of strikes. Now comes the important part, publishing your content. Upload videos consistently, once every day or twice per week, and use attractive captions and popular hashtags for your videos. Engage with viewers on comments and ask them to subscribe. Apply for monetization once your channel fulfills the necessary requirements, or start earning through other methods mentioned earlier. And this is the secret to making $10,000 by podcasts without using your face. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share your Faceless channel's progress in the comments below.